AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119, also hardbackelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So we have another Ameritron Al-811h. I'm going to go through it, do all the mods to it. So I'll show you everything I see. Has an updated parasitic board. I don't have problems with the other one. You know, if you leave the split washer out between the board and the plate choke and you touch one of the connections underneath with the strap because it's right up against it at that point, then you'll have a problem. This one has a brass washer soldered underneath which raises it up, but to be honest, if the other one works, there's no reason to change it. So customer did not tape the straps up underneath, but they appear to be okay. A lot of times they start to fray right there. So it needs the bias mod, which puts the tubes into deeper cutoff when it's unkeyed. Grids are not grounded. I take this out anyway and ground them right to the metal, so take the resistors out and do that. Plate choke is loose, so that little short screw has backed out a little bit. I always put a longer screw in. Plate choke wires coming unraveled and it's overlapping, so I'll fix that. The gas discharge tubes, the SO239s have like no grip. There's that one, and then this one. Like nothing. So I put brand new ones in from Max Gain Systems. Really nice people over there. And this is getting a brand new matched quad set of 572s from Penta Labs. Remember, if you're going to send an amp in, wait to order them, because you'll get the dealer price on the tubes, you'll save money. Penta sends me 20 at a time to have here in stock, so I'll test your amp with your tubes. I don't get anything out of it. I make no money off of the tube sale. So, and then that's one less time your tubes have to be shipped. So if you buy them before you send it to me, then there's that shipping and they could get damaged. So they're already here, I test them in your amp, and then as long as there's no damage between me and you, you'll be good to go. So, hey, that's about it. I'm going to get to work, and I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so I didn't see that one of the screws was missing in the last video, so I'll point that out now. I replaced it, so it's one of the socket screws. I grounded the grids right to the metal. Compress the socket clips, clean them with deoxit gold, slid a tube into each one a few times in and out, added the gas discharge tubes, one per side of the filament, all four in parallel, so I need two in total. So I'm going to put the longer screw in the plate choke, and I have to remove the metal oxide varistors, change the SO239s, do the bias modification, restrip the wires, zip tie everything nice, check connections, make sure they're all tight. Also check solder joints, and I'll be back. See you guys soon. I changed the SO239s, everything's soldered nice. These the Teflon dielectric from Max Gain Systems. Restripped the filament leads, took out the MOVs, bias mods, zip tied all the wiring, did some other stuff, and tighten up on hardware, fix solder joints. So I'm going to reinstall the socket assembly. Stay tuned. Back with the completed Al-811h. Customer wanted a video of it working on 20 meters. It's going into a Bird attenuator load using a Bird 43 watt meter with a calibrated 1000H 2 to 30 megahertz 1 kW slug, and it has the genuine Bird peak reading kit. To excite it, I'm using a Yaesu FT847. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and key the amplifier with a foot pedal. Audio hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, hello, hello. Shh, 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 shh. 800, 800, 800. 800, 800, 800. Audio. Shh. About 70 watts or so, I would say. Hard to read these meters. Shh, 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 shh. Audio, hello, hello, hello. Plate current. Audio. Shh, shh, shh. Hello. 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 Shh, 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 shh. Okay. So I got the microphone gain cranked up on the radio. Makes the radio, I mean the radio would sound like crud like that, but allows me to test the amp to full output. So that's about it. So I'll let it cool off and show you the inside, show you everything I did. See you soon. So I have the cover off. I'll go over everything I did real quick. Today I got up at 4:18 in the morning, so I'm tired. It's dinner time. So, okay, so where to start? Need a little pointer. So I did the bias modification. Changed the meter protection diode. It was shorted. Cleaned the band switch with deoxit gold. Input rotary switch with deoxit gold. Took the socket assembly out like you had seen, put the gas discharge tubes under there, also grounded the grids right to the metal. One of the sockets was missing a screw. The windings were coming undone on the top of the plate choke, so I rewound them carefully and resecured them. Zip tied all the wiring over there, tightened up on a bunch of hardware, fixed solder joints, and tested it for full output. Got a brand new set of Penta tubes. Also got the new SO239s from Max Gain Systems. And also removed the metal oxide varistors. Put the longer screw in the base of the plate choke, as you saw was wobbling before. They're that little tiny short screws, so they're prone to falling out. It's not good. How short that is. So that's about it. So please like, share, and subscribe, and check out my websites, amprepairguy.com and also harbackelectronics.com. My phone number is 203-892-4119. Again, that's 203-892-4119. I always use Teflon wire. I love Teflon wire. I have lots of it. So thanks for watching. Have a good night.